In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Connect Stripe to Xero. By the end, your Stripe payouts will flow into Xero as a bank feed, making reconciliation faster and more accurate. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Xero organization and you have the permission to manage bank accounts. You'll also want your Stripe login handy, since you'll authorize the connection in a secure window. From your Xero dashboard, open the accounting menu. This is where Xero groups everything related to your financial records. We're heading here because Stripe connects to Xero as a bank feed, which is the most reliable way to bring in payouts and fees automatically. Next, choose bank accounts. This is the area where you manage all feeds and cash accounts. Even though Stripe is a payment service, Xero treats it like a bank account so it can import transactions and let you reconcile them just like you would with a traditional bank. Select Add Bank Account. Think of this as telling Xero, here's a new source of transactions I want to track. If you manage multiple Stripe balances, remember that each currency typically needs its own feed to avoid mixing transactions. In the search bar, start typing Stripe. Xero will filter available connections so you can find the official Stripe option quickly. This search avoids manual setup and ensures you use the supported secure connector. Pick Stripe from the results. You should see the Stripe tile or listing. Selecting it takes you to the setup screen for the official feed, which is designed to bring in payouts and fees so your reconciliation is straightforward. On the connection page, click Sign in to Stripe and connect. You'll be redirected to Stripe's secure login. Sign in, choose the correct Stripe account if you manage more than one, and approve access. You may be asked for two-factor authentication. Authorizing here allows Xero to import transactions and payout details. It doesn't let Xero move money, only read the data it needs for your books. After you return to Xero, the feed will begin syncing. Recent Stripe payouts and associated fees will start appearing in your bank feed, ready for reconciliation. A quick tip: match Stripe payouts to your sales and fee accounts consistently and set up bank rules in Xero where appropriate to speed things up. Also, avoid creating more than one Stripe feed for the same account and currency to prevent duplicates. That's it. You've connected Stripe to Xero, setting yourself up for cleaner records and faster month end. If anything looks off, double check you use the correct Stripe login and the right Xero organization, then refresh the bank feed. Thanks for watching.